Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a dad who's always poking around the house trying to fix something before it turns into a bigger problem, then you're going to want to hear about this. Today, we're talking about a tool that's been quietly changing the game for weekend fixers and curious tinkerers, the VEVOR Endoscope Camera. Now, I didn't even know I needed something like this until I actually held it in my hands. It's not flashy or complicated, but it solves a problem we've all had: what's hiding behind the walls, under the sink, or deep inside the dryer vent. How many times have we stood there, flashlight in one hand, screwdriver in the other, just guessing? Well, this little device cuts through the mystery. No guesswork, no tearing things apart. Stick around because I'm going to show you how it's helping me be a little smarter, a little faster, and honestly, a slightly more impressive dad. Alright buddy, so I want to tell you about this cool gadget I picked up the other day, the VEVOR Endoscope Camera. It's kind of like a little snake camera that can go into places where your eyes can't, and honestly, it's been super handy around the house. I used it just last week to check behind the bathroom wall, where the plumbing runs, and I wasn't about to start smashing holes just to see what's going on. With this, I just fed the camera in through a small gap, and boom, I could see everything in full color on its little 5-inch screen. The picture quality is really clear, even in darker spots. It's got these little LED lights on the end, plus 2 extra on the side, so it brightens up even the murkiest corners. I'll admit, for a dad who mostly knows how to swing a hammer and change a light bulb, this felt like high-tech wizardry, and at only $41, it didn't hurt the family wallet one bit. Now, what really sold me was how everything's built into the unit. You don't need to connect it to your phone or download some app that probably wants access to your contacts and camera. No thanks. It's all self-contained, which means I can take it out to the garage, basement, or even under the car without worrying about frying my phone or dealing with glitchy apps. My buddy Jake got one that hooks up to your smartphone, and let me tell you, when his screen cracked, the whole system was basically useless. But not this one. It's got its own screen, its own storage, it comes with a 32 gigabytes card, and runs on a rechargeable battery. Plus, it's actually pretty tough. I dropped it once, okay, maybe twice, and it didn't even flinch. That matters when you're using tools in tight, messy spaces. We used it once to help our neighbor check a clogged drain pipe in his basement. It was like we were going on a little underground mission. The cable is 16.4 feet long, so it can reach pretty deep. But here's the honest part: that length is both a blessing and a curse. When it's coiled up, it's manageable. But when you're feeding it through a winding pipe or a cramped wall space, it can get a little wiggly and hard to steer. It's stiff enough to push into tight spots, which is good, but not super flexible when you need to make sharp turns to the left or right. Still, the triple lens setup helps a lot. You can switch between the front camera and the 2 side ones, so you're not just guessing what's around the corner. It's like having eyes on 3 sides of the snake. I'll be straight with you, the buttons and menu take a little getting used to. I tried reading the instruction pamphlet they included, but honestly, it's tiny. I needed my reading glasses just to see what it said, and even then, it didn't explain everything clearly. I ended up watching a quick YouTube tutorial on my tablet to figure out how to switch between camera views and save the pictures. Once I got the hang of it, it was smooth sailing, super easy to use. But for something that's supposed to help you solve problems, it shouldn't create one just to figure out how to turn on. That being said, once you know the basics, you're golden. My 10-year-old even figured out after about 10 minutes, and if he can do it, I think most folks can. One thing I really appreciate is how useful it's been for little DIY jobs around the house. Like when the dryer vent got blocked, instead of taking half the laundry room apart, I just snaked the camera in there to see what was going on. Turns out, it wasn't a serious problem, just some lint buildup. That kind of thing saves time, effort, and keeps Mom from giving me the "why is the house torn apart again" look. It's also great for checking car stuff, under the hood, behind the engine, or even looking into exhaust pipes. You don't need to be a mechanic to ask, "Hey, is that supposed to look rusty?" And since it's IP67 waterproof, I didn't worry about getting it dirty or even a little wet during jobs. That's a big plus. Of course, no gadget's perfect. I've used mine a few times now, and so far it's holding up well, but I did hear from another dad at the hardware store that it stopped working after a couple months. That made me a bit nervous. For $41, I don't expect it to last forever, but I do expect it to work when I need it. So far, so good for me. But I'll admit, if I were using it every day for my job, I might want something more heavy-duty. This one feels solid, but it's definitely geared toward the weekend warrior, the backyard fixer, the just want to know what's going on kind of user. And that's okay. That's me. I don't need NASA-grade equipment, just something that helps me avoid calling a pro for something simple. Overall, I've got to say, I'm really happy with it. It's practical, affordable, and it's helped me solve a few head scratchers without too much hassle. The image is bright, the lights work great, and having those multiple camera angles makes a huge difference. I store it in the little carrying case it came with. Yeah, it even has its own home, and it's always ready when I need it. Would I buy it again? If we lost it or it broke tomorrow, yeah, probably. It's not flashy, and it doesn't have every bell and whistle in the world, but it does what it says it'll do. And for a dad who likes to fix things, save money, and maybe impress his kids with a little tech magic, that's more than enough. Alright, champ, if this helped you or your dad out, give it a thumbs up. Think of it like shining a light on the next review. And don't forget to subscribe so we never miss a fix. Together, we'll keep solving mysteries, one clever gadget at a time.